What's up, guys? I'm Mr. Bay. I'm the program director for the Illinois Works program here at CYDI. We had the opportunity to visit the Bricklayers Union today, man. If you can look around, you can see some of our students participating in some hands-on product. And then they got a chance to hear about all the benefits that the bricklayers have to offer. Not only do you get a chance to participate in the bricklayers, but there's also tile setting, roofers, and tuck pointers. And so all these trades are available to some of our students who complete our YouthBuild program and our Illinois Works program.
Hi, my name is Terry Sadowski. I'm with the Tuck Pointers, Pointer Cleaner and Caulkers Union, Local 21. We're at the District Council Training Center out here today to discuss a little bit about the trade and the union that I belong to. So here at the school, we learn how to repair all different kinds of masonry units, learn how to tuck point, learn how to apply sealants, all the best practices in the trade and latest techniques. And as we have students from start off at 50% apprentices all the way up into the journey craft worker level that come in and they refine their skills. Like I said, my name is Terry Sadowski and I'm a 25-year member of the Local 21 PCC Union. And I just want to thank everybody for coming out. And if you're thinking about a trade in the masonry, look into joining the PCC Union.
Good morning. My name is Stan Kolasik. I'm a training director for the bricklayers and other craft workers. We have about a little over 600 apprentices throughout all our crafts. We provide the training to community youth development. We're trying to expose them to different career paths. The group they brought today seems they are really eager to learn new trade. They listen. Seems like we have a lot of good potential candidates for all our trades.
We're super excited about all the relationships that we're building in the construction industry. And so if you're interested or you know someone who's interested in joining a construction industry, please send them our way. You can find us at 7836 South Union, Chicago, Illinois, 60620.